up, Hallway Gang? It's your boy B Hall coming back at you again. This time I'm promoting my t-shirts. As you can see, I buy what I like, not what's hype. It comes in t-shirt form, comes in different quality t-shirts. It comes in hoodies, hats, coffee mugs, stickers, tapestries, pillows, everything. Just go to TeePublic. The link is in the bio. You can get in all different colors too. You know what I'm saying? Get in all different colors. Alright? Peace. What's up, everybody? It's your boy B Hall coming back at you again with another video. Remember to hit that like, share, subscribe button, and always hit that bell for post notifications so when I drop these fire videos, which is like every 2 to 3 days now. Shout out to ChatGPT. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, this video is gonna be it's a home project. So the home project is I'm gonna do this by myself. I'm gonna rebuild. I'm gonna replace the poles on this fence because, as y'all can see, the fence is very wobbly. So the fence is very wobbly. So other than that, I'm about to get started. I got my post hole digger. I got my shovel, and I already took one of the poles out. So about to get started. Alright guys, as you can see, so this was the first post right here. This is the first hole. See, it's all bent up and wobbly and stuff. So, and then it was buried into some concrete. See that right there? It's buried in that concrete. So I found this hole right here. So I'm gonna put this pole, this is one of the 6 poles I have. I'm gonna have to put it in there, and then I'm gonna have to put some more dirt in there, then pack it out, you know, with concrete. So I have the 5 bags of concrete. I don't know if I bought too many, but as you can see, if you look down here, you can see everything, like how wobbly it is. That's why I pulled the trampoline to lean it against it, because if I push it over, it's gonna pretty much fall all the way down. See, it goes all the way to the back. But yeah, so let me get started. All right, y'all can see, and I got another hole dug. Told you the fence was so wobbly that it fell down, but that's neither here nor there. Hold on, let me get y'all straight. Alright, like I said, the fence was always falling over. So believe me when I say I'm doing this on my own with no help and just a lot of YouTube videos, that's what I'm doing. Hopefully it comes out cool. It should. But this is a lot of work. You see, I got, you know, my safety glasses on, I have my gloves, I have my pliers, I have my shovels, my post hole digger. I have what else I need? I got my cement, I have my wheelbarrow, then I got my bucket to mix the cement. So I'm good as far as all the supplies and stuff go. I'm good as far as that. But they ain't lying. This is quite a workout, low key. This is quite a workout. But let me show y'all. So I got 2 bent up poles so far. So here are the poles right here. As y'all see, it's bent up. I swear I thought this was my neighbor's fence. So, and then so she finally went over there and they said it was my fence. But I swear I thought when this part of your fence faces you, like with the poles and stuff, that I thought it was this person's fence. So if this was on the other side, it would be their fence. But I don't know. But I'm just gonna spend my Saturday afternoon redoing my fence. All right. So 2025. And I'm gonna dig another hole right there. As you can see, it's broken right there, and right there, and that one. So, and I believe it's the one that's all the way to the back too. So my plan is to dig the holes and stick the poles in them like so, and I'm gonna just take these off, you know, with my with my pliers, undo those, and those gonna slide right off. So dismantling ain't nothing. It's digging. That's the biggest issue. Digging is the biggest issue. It is the biggest issue, but it's an issue that I want. So I'll check your back with y'all. All right, y'all. I got 5 poles in. Got 1 more to go. Let me show y'all the poles I got in. So I got the one at the very beginning, then 2, 3, 4, then 5. I got 1 more to put in. My budget only allows me to do 6, so I gotta go by my budget. But yeah, and these are the main 6 that need to be replaced. Once I put the concrete and tie the poles to the fence, you know, and I gotta take these old poles out. They ain't gonna take but a minute to just take those out with my pliers and stuff. So then, you know, once I tie the poles to the fence and cement it, that's pretty much, I think the job should be finally complete. I think I might have to go back to Home Depot to get some more ties, because I don't think it's enough. So especially for me doing it, I just want to make sure it's in there and it's steel, you know, it's steel. So I'll check back in with y'all when I'm about to I think when I'm pouring the cement and stuff. So I don't know. But I'll see y'all again. All right, y'all, we got it all straightened up now. Now we just gotta add the cement into the holes. Straighten up. You see all that new taggage down there on it? See all that new taggage? All of that. You got it all in there. So yeah. I want to say special thanks to my uncle right here. He helped me out. Say what's up, Unc?
What's up, y'all? I'm trying to see how much water. I think it's like six pints.
I don't know. Here I come. All right, y'all. Well, it has come to an end of the vlog, and at the end, we did get it complete. We got it complete. Let me show y'all. So this is the ghetto way. So I'm gonna show y'all. Bam. The concrete. See the concrete right there. This tire is helping balance it. And let me show y'all what else. And we got more concrete in there. It's hardening right now. And we got more concrete in here. Now if y'all look at it, you can see it's pretty much straight into the arrow. It's not even on the trampoline anymore. But we just needed that tire back there because it was a lot of dirt. So we needed that, you know, to balance it out. But man, you know what I'm saying? We did it. You know what I'm saying? We did it. Hallway gang, remember to jump in the comments, tell me what y'all think I did. Good job. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to my uncle for helping me. But, you know, we did a good job. DIY. Do it yourself. Save money. That's $2,000 save, baby. Yeah. All right, that's all I got for y'all. Peace.